Hello viewers, welcome to this channel Thirukural's Art of Living. Attitude determines altitude. Your altitude meaning how much you rise in your life is determined by your attitude. What is attitude? Someone defines attitude as the learned predisposition towards an object, act, event, or phenomena or anything. Whenever we say attitude, it is always having an object towards. Your attitude towards your job, your attitude towards a product, a brand, your attitude towards your friend, your attitude towards your country, your attitude towards your family, your attitude towards, in general, life. So, attitude is always towards an object. Again, attitude has got three components. This is what we call tri-components theory. Cognitive component, affective component, and behavioral component or connotative component. In this, cognitive and affective component are within you. Nobody can see it. Cognitive is your knowledge part of your attitude. What do you know about something? Because we don't create attitude towards anything without knowing. So attitude is based on your knowledge. That is what cognitive. Cognitive is always connected with your mind. So cognitive component is your knowledge or information about anything. Then affective component, that is the second component of attitude. This is your liking or disliking, your feeling aspect. Cognitive is mind, affective is heart. Your feeling, whether you like it or not, or you don't like it, neither like it or dislike it, neutral. This is feeling aspect, second component. These two are nobody can see. Only when it results in behavior, that's the third component. People can have an idea about what attitude you have towards anything, towards a political party. Only when you vote for that party, only when you buy that brand, your behavior only shows that you have a positive attitude and you like it. Attitude determines your altitude. If you put, this is a rare coincidence, if you put value to the letters in attitude, A, T, T, like that, A for 1, like that if you put value, as a rare coincidence, for the word attitude, you will get 100. Meaning, if your attitude is positive, you will get 100% success. That's why people say, have a positive attitude towards life. Whatever may be your blood group, always be positive. Because when you have a positive attitude, again attitude has got strength also. How much you like it? Very much. Very much I like that leader. Very much I like that political party. Very much I like that brand. Very much I like my friend. It has strength. So if your attitude is maximum positively, then it will result in behavior, excellent behavior. That is why attitude determines altitude. Because attitude leads to intention, intention leads to behavior. This is what Ajein's model says. Attitude leads to intention, intention leads to behavior. If you have a positive attitude towards your job, performing your job, assuming that you are an expert in that particular field, you are an expert in a particular field and you have a positive attitude towards performing that job, then your performance will be maximum. If you are an expert but you don't have a positive attitude, if you have a negative attitude, you will not give maximum performance. Your performance will be very low. Even though if you are an expert, if you don't have a positive attitude towards performing the job, then your performance will be very less. Only when you have positive attitude, your performance will be maximum and it will take you to new heights in your job or anywhere. That's why they say attitude determines altitude. Okay. Because naturally, when you have a positive attitude, you will have intention, motivation to perform that job, perform that work. When you have a positive attitude towards anything, a brand, a friend, then you will move very close to him. Naturally, your friendship will be of very good bondage. There will be very good bondage between you and your friend because you have a positive attitude. It will be maximum effective. So when you say effectiveness, positive attitude leads to maximum effectiveness. That's why they say attitude determines your altitude. This concept, 2000 years before, Thiruvalluvar is giving this concept with a beautiful example from nature. The Thirukkural couplet is Vellattanayadu Malar Neetam Mandardam Ullattanayadu Uyarvu. 2000 years before, Thiruvalluvar, the great Tamil saint, has said this with a very beautiful example from nature. We find water flowers like lily or lotus in water. What is the height of the stem of this water flower, a lily or lotus? It depends upon the depth of the water. The height or the length of the stem of the flower, water flower, depends upon the depth of the water. Like that, how much you rise in your life depends upon your attitude. With a very beautiful example, Thiruvalluvar, the great Tamil saint, 2000 years before, explains this concept with this flower example, water flower example. The stem of the water flower goes to the depth and then beautifully flowers outside. That length of the stem depends upon the depth of the water. Like that in human life, your attitude your race in life, your height in life, your altitude in life depends upon your attitude. That is why altitude determines altitude. Again, this is again to highlight this concept of psychology is given in this Tamil couplet 2000 years before. Okay. Thank you for listening. We will see in the next episode, in the next couplet. Thank you very much.